Hello, Expat Media. My name is Eleni. I'm the owner of Angel Wings International Tourism. Angel Wings International Tourism is a travel agency. We do hotel bookings, flight tickets booking, and we also do the packages and local tours. Actually, I established Angel Wings International Tourism just because I helped one kababayan during that time na naloko siya actually. He wanted to bring his sister dito sa Dubai and unfortunately, he deal with a travel agent. Nakipag-deal siya sa agent lang. And then, very unfortunate that nagbigay siya ng pera, ikinote siya ng napakalaki, naloko siya. And nakita ko yung lungkot, yung, alam mo yung excitement na darating na sana yung kapatid niya dito, pinaghirapan niya yung pera, but at the end of the day, hindi siya nakarating dahil sa naloko siya ng travel agent. Ganon, a freelancer. So during that time, since I'm working at the Pakistan Business Council, I have a connection with one members who own a big travel agency business during that time. And I approached them na pwede ba ako kumuha ng visa sa kanya to help yung flatmate ko during that time. And then, ayun, ang bilis lang ng process ng visa. Tapos, nakuha niya kaagad yung sister niya. Kasi ako, during that time is nakatira sa parang bed space. So, meaning to say na madami kami doon. So, word of mouth, they ask help and assistance hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng network to refer sa travel agency business. Pag may mga naghahanap ng visa, ticketing, ganyan. So, in somehow, ay nagkaroon ako ng malaking referral. Start lang ako, nag-refer ako, tapos referral. Trust lang yon. Wala naman akong nilabas na pera. It's just a trust. And then, lumaki na. It's a word of mouth. I have a gut na, okay, I need to establish my own. At during that time, naglagay din ako ng time frame sa sarili ko. Sabi ko, at my age of 40, I want to become a successful businesswoman. I think I was 36. Parang just in a blink of sabi ko, ay, 36 na ako, yung timeline ko, kailangan ko ng So, meaning to say, in-start ko yung travel agency, wala akong structure, wala akong business plan, basta gusto ko lang. Sabi ko, okay, kailangan ko na siyang start. And then, eventually, kapag nandun ka na pala sa business, you will be connected to the business field na inopen mo. Doon na magbubukas yung opportunity. So yung platform, actually, nakita ko dito sa Angel Wings din, is like, it's about assistance, proper assistance, especially our client is 70% Filipino. My father passed away at the age of 33. Ngayon ko nga lang na-realize na ang bata pala, 33 years old. Ang mother ko, napalaki niya kami mag-isa. Pinalaki niya kami, we are 6. Lahat kami nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Lahat kami nakapagtapos dahil nagtrabaho kami para lang matustusan namin ang aming mga pag-aaral. I am teacher by profession in the Philippines. Kagaya ng madaming Pilipino na naghahangad na makapunta ng ibang bansa, lagi natin sinasabi na kapag nasa ibang bansa ka, yung opportunity, napakadali. I came here as a visit visa. My sister was already here. Siya yung kumuha sa akin here sa Dubai. 2 weeks lang ako naghanap ng trabaho. Nakahanap na agad ako here at, actually that is a real estate company. It just happened that the owner of the real estate company is the president of the Pakistan Business Council. So, binigyan niya ako ng opportunity to work na directly reported sa kanya. It's Pakistan Business Council is an organization ng mga Pakistani business owner here in UAE. They are billionaires, owner of hotels and contacts with all the politicians. Malalaking tao sa industry. You are able, to get the connection with them. I'm thankful, and God is giving me an opportunity that I have a good career. My company is established. I'm a community leader. I am also the vice president of the Filipino Social Club. The Filipino Social Club is a non-profit, non-religious group. We are permitted by the Dubai government. We are just inviting also our Filipino volunteers na be part of the Filipino Social Club. There's a lot of opportunity here in Dubai. Tingnan mo lang kasi yung opportunity na ano ba yung meron ka and convert it into cash. Kasi kung business-minded ka talaga, hindi hindrance nang wala kang pera to start it.